sila eh. Oh, seal lang seal, stay high, seal, mga
Down. Long two is off. All right. Second half is almost underway. Martin Aguirre alongside Coach Jerry Cordillera, taking you through this coverage with our courtside reporter Micaela Mindanao. As the Penwell becomes Eman Tagle. Puno. Surveys. Tito Gonzalez from the left flank. Nigel. Celso providing the screen. Here's Tagle with the shot clock winding down. Long two is off. Unsportsmanlike foul on Eman Pizarro.
kanina pa yung nagbabanggaan sila eh. Oh, seal lang seal, stay high, seal, mga tukod. Siyempre talagang magkakatamaan itong mga big.
Very physical bigs, Eman Pizarro and Joe Celso. And check out the sequence. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Binigyan ng ano.
Si Coach.
Talagang kailangan medyo matigas ang mga medyo ano mo yan, panga mo dyan.
Oh! Ito Coach, this is another angle but... Oh! That's an elbow to the side of the head neto ni Joe Celso Pizarro. So I wonder what triggered it. Or was there a trigger at all?
Ayan talaga.
No, Coach.
No man's land dyan, shaded area. Anything goes. Talagang ready ka
Alam
dyan.
yan.
Pag ano, kailangan dapat naka-mouthpiece ka ng pa dyan eh.
Alam niyo ni Coach Jerry kasi siya yung nagbibigay niya noon.
dami.
Hindi, mali na si Coach.
Dami na rin tama ako inabot dyan.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. So it's a disqualifying foul on Eman Pizarro.
Uy, kailangan na kailangan siya dito. Pizarro, oo. Tsaka alam mo siyempre, yung closing